Welcome back guys to another video. That's your boy Luke. Today I'm going to show you how much money I get paid from the temporary flight assistant from Uber Eats. And if you're an Uber driver, you received this message last month. So talking about where Uber gonna provide you some kind of assistance just to keep you on the road, because in the beginning of the gas price, a lot of drivers quit because it was not worth it to drive, and Uber figure out to do something. I'm glad they do it, because otherwise will be no driver on the road. You're gonna go to your inbox and you're gonna click temporary flight assistant, and when you get there you can wait a little bit more or this surcharge pay and things work. So what I want you to do, I want you to click wait more. There is some secret I want to show you right here. When you get there, this is where you can read everything you see right here. You're gonna have time to read everything, so I'm just want to make this video quick. So one thing I want to you see right here, new surcharge will go directly to you. So I like this they're not gonna take any money from that. Whatever charge any customer, they will give it to you. They will not be taxed, nothing. Uber will not even take a penny. So let me talk about right here. So if you're a white shirt guy, the surcharge they're gonna charge the customer gonna be 45 or 50 cents. This is per trips. So on each Uber order you're gonna get paid 35 to 45 cents. So that's depend of your location. You look at this, they say the surcharge is temporarily for the next 60 days. So but why not is the time to work and get this money? Let me show you how much money I make. I work like 11 hours and I make $246, and I make 31 trips. And I didn't do Uber full time anyway because I do another job right now. So this is the one I'm gonna talk about it, and you can do it too. So and I in the next video I'm gonna talk about more about it, like what you need to get started or you can start. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna take you to that next level, as I always promise you. So right now I make 31 trips and $246 for the week. After the week, so I getting paid, I cash my money out. So you see, as you can see right now, they just add $6.30. This is what I make. So if you are somebody make more trips than me, and you work harder than me, you work full time, you're gonna make more money. Just like, it's not crazy guys, they're not gonna give you a lot of money. It's just like some kind of money to help you with the gas. Okay, so please make sure you take advantage of this money. And if you need to save more money in gas, please go and download the GetUpside app. If you want to support my channel, please go and download the GetUpside app. This is my referral link is below. You will get up to 35 cents per gallon in your first purchase. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And see you to the next video. Peace.